Hi Cancer, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for October 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle texts that I have here. Cancerians, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before we proceed, Cancerians, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading, Cancerians. Towards the final days of September, stepping into October 2021, we have the Nine of Cups. In these days, I think you had grabbed the opportunities that had come your way. You were quite dedicated and focused, but then there were also pressing matters that needed your attention. I think you were bogged down on account of technical work or paperwork which had kept you busy. Obstacles to overcome this October, we have the Queen of Cups. I think you could find yourself getting worked up on account of problems at home. Maybe there could also be a female figure who could create havoc in your life. Possibly there'll be ego issues. Maybe this person is also trying to undermine your position. Ideally, I think Cancerians, you should have a cooperative approach. Maybe you should take everything in your stride because it will help you evolve as a person. Nevertheless, I think Cancerians, this month you're going to be quite creative as well. Besides, you're also coming across as an intuitive person, so you should follow your hunches. Influences for this month, we have the Emperor card. Definitely you're being asked to collaborate. This month also, I think it's a good time for learning. Maybe you're going to think about enhancing your skills. You will be in a competitive mode and you will also complete tasks one after the other. What is most pleasing is that your talent will also be appreciated this month. The first 10 days of October, we have the King of Cups. Another Cups in your reading. In fact, we have the Queen as well as the King here. So certainly in this time, you will seek opinions. Maybe you will take on the role of an advisor, healer, or maybe you will consult the legal or a medical professional with respect to health concerns or legal matters, that is. I think it would be best to listen to the viewpoint of others. I think you will also find alternatives or solutions to the problems that bother you. Sometimes, you could be quite hassled and you could curse fate, but then you should count your blessings. Maybe you feel that your family members aren't appreciative, but then outsiders are. In fact, you will find they are going to be quite supportive of your plans. They could support you and help you as well. That just could also pose a hindrance here. Maybe you don't have the equipment that you required. I think while working also you should be careful because your agent or even the middleman could try to manipulate you. The opponents will also try to create obstacles in your path, but you have to find ingenious ways. Certainly God will show you the way or God will give you ideas. Those of you who are in the leadership position, you feel that it's best to break the ice in case there are indifferent employees. Anyhow, you can also expect praise from your worker. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think it is best to break the ice in case there are indifferent employees. By the way, Cancerians, you'll be quite surprised because compliments are going to come your way from other departments as well. Maybe the other department workers are observing the way you go about your business. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th October, we have the Tower card. Certainly this is the Mars energy, so you'll be quite impulsive. You want to take the bull by the horns, you want to communicate with someone and you want to get down with business, but you need to tone down your expectations a bit. Maybe your quick reactions could not go down well with colleagues. Incidentally, we did clarify the Tower card and we have the Nine of Wands, so certainly you feel that your hard work is not being acknowledged or that you're not getting the rewards that you desire. Maybe you should have a more cooperative approach, a more collaborative approach. Maybe there are disagreements with colleagues because of the same reason. It could be a bit disappointing at work, but then this is also preparing you for a better life ahead or a better future ahead. Even though it is frustrating, I think you need to work harder. Maybe you should also meditate or maybe you should contemplate on whatever is going on in your life. Some of you can de-stress by joining that meditation camp or a yoga class. This will also help you gain insight this month. Towards 21st to 31st October, we have the Hermit card. Disagreements are quite possible in this time. Maybe it would be prudent to avoid them. Ideally, I think Cancerians, you should apologize and move on. You should not hold on to the grudges. In these days also, the pressure of work could be enormous on you. Maybe you think that you're being saddled with excess responsibilities. Sometimes, you may want to withdraw from situations. You may want to keep a safe distance from others. Even within the home environment, you may feel as though you're unwanted. Perhaps Cancerians, you should talk things over. You shouldn't imagine things as well. You should clarify before you draw conclusions. Even with respect to financial matters, I think you should keep your cards close to your chest. Maybe family members may think that you are meddlesome. Largely, I think you despise the restrictions that are there. But then the Hermit is also paving the way for the Ace of Swords. So certainly you are going to cut through these obstacles that are there. You're going to forge ahead. In fact, time could be at a premium here. Basically, you're somebody who has to handle a lot. You will take the initiative. I think you're somebody who is going to think on your feet because it's the Swords energy. That is why you will finalize those deals very quickly. Besides, I think you'll be happy because payment is also going to come in. However, Cancerians, while dealing with paperwork, I think you should be careful because there could be errors. With respect to your love life, I have this card, Divine Timing. Nothing happens before time, so you need to be patient with respect to matters of the heart. You should understand that the universe has a plan for you and everything is moving as per the desired plan. You must understand that the universe has a plan for you. In fact, it is the universe which places these situations or these challenges in our life because the universe knows that we can handle the same. Nothing happens to any man that he is not born by nature to bear. So keep that in mind. These challenges are also going to become a thing of the past very soon. Single Cancerians, I think attention is coming your way from the opposite sex because you're coming across as someone who's quite creative and beautiful. You're the Queen of Cups here, so certainly you have your fair share of admirers. Maybe your communication skills could also floor them. In case you have somebody on your mind, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. Maybe you feel that this relationship is not going to go anywhere because you're always someone who's taking the initiative. You're making the effort, but then it seems that this person wants to stay unattached or he wants to stay single. That is why we did have this card, the Nine of Wands here. Maybe that is why you're also in a contemplative mode. Those of you who are romancing, I think you will discuss your childhood, your past. Maybe you will discuss the mistakes that you have made in your life. However, I think Cancerians, your family members may not be too pleased with your love life or your lover. Maybe they have reservations. But of course, love knows no barriers. So certainly you think this time will also pass and everything will fall in place beautifully. And you will also have fruitful exchange. I think there's mental compatibility here because we do have the Swords energy in your reading. Some of you could also be reconnecting with someone from your past. Maybe you're a bit tentative, but then you could be forced to communicate with this person. Perhaps this is also a part of the universe planned for you. Another card in this reading, Cancerians, is hat roles. I think you're going to be taking on very many roles in this month. Possibly, you're going to be somebody who wears many hats. You could be a parent, you could be a lover, you could be a wife, or you may be the caregiver as well in this month. That is why Cancerians, I think you need to be ready for these challenges. In case you're already married, I think you want to be more acknowledged by your person. I think you could also be somebody who's always changing your plans. Maybe you have other responsibilities. That is why your spouse could be a bit irked on account of the same. There could also be a third person who could create disagreements in your life, so you should be careful of the same. In case you're also in an unhappy connection, I think you need to be careful because your partner could link you with members of the opposite sex. Maybe you're also somebody who wants to discuss your plight with those who care to listen. Archangel Raphael is also telling you to use your natural healing abilities. Archangel Raphael is certainly urging you to work with your own energy, your spirit, or your thoughts. Maybe you're also somebody who's a gifted healer and you're unaware of your natural gifts, so that is why you need to heal. Maybe you should read books or take those classes on healing. I think you will also benefit on account of prayers or visualization technique. You could think about white light, or you could take a glass of water and infuse it with prayers, because prayers always help in any situation. All in all, this month Archangel Raphael is asking you to use your healing abilities. Anyhow, Cancerians, you are quite empathetic beings, and it's your healing abilities which is benefiting those around you. I hope, Cancerians, you like your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.